Ride and Rent at Fusion Garage. Today we're gonna test fit the fog garnish housing on Axel's car. He got the Type R bumper, so we're gonna go ahead and test fit it. So by the looks of it, like this is gonna be from the 10th gen non-Type R. So we're gonna go ahead and test fit it over here. We compare it with the Type R. The Type R is way bigger, so we're just gonna have to extend this area right here and then make a new template, and then we're gonna drill straight into the garnish and bolt it on. Stay tuned how it looks. Okay, so we're taking the original template and we're just gonna draw it out on paper and extend it, and then do a little bit trimming here and there until it's almost a perfect fit. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take off this front garnish. You have these pry tools. You're gonna go ahead and insert in them on the sides and unclip them off. So we got both garnishes out. Finishing up the template. And what we're gonna do is cut this inner so we make this cover functional. And then we're gonna bolt it on the sides. Pretty simple. So this is the main concept of the template. We need to fill in right here. So we're gonna do a fill in with some tape. Probably a little bit fill in right here. And then after we do the tape, we're gonna retrace it on the paper to get the final template. And then after we do that, I'm gonna see if we can redesign it on the computer so we can get it printed out with the laser. Let's go. So we have the template, we have the measurements. I scanned it and put it on the computer, but this may take a bit to redesign on the computer. So we're gonna just hand cut it, which we already did. We have the pieces right here, sanding it down. So we're gonna go ahead and drill holes to where it's gonna attach. Probably gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and then probably 5. That's all you really need. So we're gonna do 5 bolts. If you go over here to the computer, so his theme is the Deathly Hollow. So he actually has badges from us and the license plates frame. So we did Deathly Hollow vent cutouts. So I'm just gonna manually input because it may take a few hours to redesign this on the computer for exact, because every time you redesign it, it's not going to be exact. So when we do redesign it, we always have to do a test cut and then test fit. So instead of doing all that, we just hand cut it, and then we're going to go ahead and manually input these vents, and this was similar how it would look. We got the material in. Now we're going to cut out the vents. The vents are going to be on this area. And then the bolts and nuts we're going to use the Pastor JDM black washers. I've got the M6 bolts right here, M6 nuts. Very simple. So I actually messed up. So this is what happened. I actually cut out the whole triangle out. So I changed it this time. So this time it should just score engrave the outer. So the triangle design stays there, and it should just cut out the center area. So we'll see what happens. Yo, so it worked, guys. So the outline is just a score engrave, and the whole center area was a cutout to make it look like this. So it is red transparent material, if you see the red. So this masking will come off on the final install.
All right, so now that we already laser engraved the pattern on the garnish, I'm just gonna go ahead and set it, kind of take my measurements, because I'm gonna want to be able to cut out some of this fog trim just to make these vents functional. So right now I'm just trying to get my measurement. So between 3 and 6, it kind of tapers downward a little bit. So I'm probably gonna go like 2 3/4 here and like 5 1/2 right here. And then I'm just gonna draw my lines and just cut out that small part, that small square. In some cases, I've seen 2 styles where they just cut out the whole thing, but in this case, all we really need to do is just cut out where the engravings are, just to make it functional. So here we go.
Okay, so we drew the lines, the shape that we're gonna cut out for the vent area. We're gonna use a if you see it, Diablo brand 10 TPI blade for the jigsaw. So we're actually gonna drill enough holes to insert the jigsaw blade, and we're just gonna cut it out. And if it's not clean, you're gonna have to sand it, but it's all preference, depending on how clean you want it to look. So we got the hole cut out right here. So I did mark the holes. What we're gonna do is place the washer at the edge and mark your holes. And we're just gonna drill it out, do it for the same on the other side, and then we're gonna bolt it up. Okay, we got the holes drilled out, marking the holes onto the garnish. And we're just gonna drill those with a simple bolt on. Ready to go. The final piece is here. Masking is peeled. Holes are drilled. I'm about to bolt it on. Yo, it's done, guys. I'm about to put it on. The final piece. Just clip it back on. And we're money. Check it out. Yo, it's on. Check it out. So this is the front bumper garnish for the Type R. So it's a different size than the other 10 gens. Check it out. Pretty clean. Nice. It's different. It's not your typical ABS, what people are making out of nowadays. So definitely the red transparent stands out. A little bit more detail, closer look.
Oh, this one got pushed in.
Everything is done. Everything is bolted on. Looking clean. Look at that, red transparent. So if you don't know what this symbol is, go watch Harry Potter or something. What is the Deathly Hallows symbol?
It's so fun.
Yeah, you should just tell them. Don't watch Harry Potter for just get a life.
But let me know what you guys think. This is the stuff that we do. We like to do custom work. And if you guys want to see us do more custom stuff, don't forget to comment below. See what we want to do. Can we do it for your car? We're in San Diego. And hopefully we can make some more videos. So if you guys would just like this video, subscribe. You guys will stay tuned on all the new content we make. Check it out. So this is Axel's car. I'll go ahead and throw his IG down in the description. It's my cousin Esmeralda. I'll throw his IG in the description too. Don't forget to follow them. And we out. Thanks, guys.